A single long video can become a full batch of high-potential shorts. Instead of watching the entire recording, hunting for highlights, clipping manually, writing captions, cropping vertical versions, and repeating the process for every clip, you can give Claude Code one clear instruction and let it build the shorts pipeline for you. Here is the workflow in action. Claude Code takes a long podcast, transcribes it, scores the strongest moments, cuts the best clips, burns captions, crops to vertical format, and generates titles and descriptions. In minutes, the output folder contains shorts that are ready to review and schedule. Claude Code is different from a normal chatbot because it works inside your project. It reads transcripts and subtitle files, writes Python and shell scripts, runs ffmpeg commands, checks the output, and fixes errors. You give the goal, it handles the operational steps. Manual clipping is a time trap. Watching a full video, finding timestamps, cutting clips, adding captions, cropping each one, and writing metadata can consume hours every week. The automated pipeline removes the repetition so you can focus on choosing the best ideas and improving the content. The Shorts pipeline has 6 stages. Transcribe the long video, score the transcript for strong moments, cut the selected segments, generate captions, crop to vertical format, and create metadata. Claude Code orchestrates each stage, and every stage can be swapped or improved later. In this build, we create a complete shorts factory. Whisper provides timestamped transcription. Claude scores hooks and selects clips. ffmpeg trims clean segments. Captions are burned into the video. Smart Crop creates vertical output, and metadata is prepared for publishing. The setup is small. Install Claude Code so the agent can work in your project. Install ffmpeg for cutting, cropping, encoding, and caption burn-in. Add Whisper, either locally or through an API, for speech-to-text with timestamps. With those tools ready, the pipeline can run end-to-end. Use a clean folder structure from the start. Put the source video and input, transcripts in their own folder, raw clips in clips, final vertical exports in shorts, and titles or descriptions in metadata. Keep a Claude.md file with your rules so Claude Code follows the same workflow every time. Transcription is the foundation. Whisper turns speech into timestamp text, and word-level timestamps make precise cuts possible. Instead of guessing where a sentence starts or ends, Claude Code can use the timing data to trim cleanly and avoid cutting words in half. Hook scoring is where Claude adds judgment. Each transcript segment can be rated for opening strength, surprise, useful advice, story completeness, and whether it works without extra context. Strong clips rise to the top, weak clips are skipped, and the batch becomes easier to trust. Smart cuts depend on clean boundaries. Claude Code uses the word timings to start slightly before the first word and end slightly after the last word. That small padding prevents abrupt starts, clipped endings, and awkward mid-sentence exports. Captions are essential for shorts. Burned-in captions work everywhere, even when platform subtitle files are ignored. Word-level timing makes the captions feel active, readable, and synchronized with the speaker. Good captions turn a silent scroll into a watchable clip. Vertical crop is more than changing the aspect ratio. The crop should keep the speaker, important gestures, or the main visual subject inside frame. A simple center crop works sometimes, but face-aware or subject-aware cropping produces shorts that feel intentional. The system prompt is the control center. Claude.md tells Claude Code the folder names, clip length rules, caption style, scoring threshold, crop behavior, metadata format, and quality standards. A good system prompt makes every future run more consistent. Batch mode is the payoff. One command can process the long video, produce multiple clips, caption them, crop them, and prepare metadata. You still review the results, but the repetitive production work is handled automatically. Quality filters protect your channel. Skip clips that need too much context, clips with weak openings, low audio clarity, awkward cuts, or duplicate ideas. Automation should not publish everything, it should surface the best candidates faster. Metadata can also be automated. Claude Code can write clear titles, descriptions, hashtags, and short summaries based on the selected clip. The goal is not clickbait, it is accurate packaging that helps viewers understand why the clip matters. An upload-ready folder makes review simple. Each short should have the final video, caption source, transcript snippet, title, description, score, and reason for selection. When everything is organized, scheduling becomes a quick final pass instead of another editing project. Avoid the common mistakes. Do not cut clips without context. Do not trust low-quality transcription. Do not make captions tiny. Do not crop away the speaker. Do not publish every generated clip. Use automation to speed up judgment, not replace it. The same pipeline works across real videos, podcasts, tutorials, interviews, webinars, and long explainers. The number of good clips changes by source, but the workflow stays stable. Transcribe, score, cut, caption, crop, package, and review. The complete Shorts factory is now clear. Claude Code coordinates the tools, Whisper creates timing, FFmpeg handles video operations, and your rules guide clip selection. Once built, the system can turn every long video into a repeatable batch of vertical content. Your long videos already contain shorts. The problem is the time required to find and package them. With this pipeline, one command can produce a review-ready batch. Comment shorts if you want the prompt and folder template, and subscribe for more practical AI workflows. Allah Hafiz.